Hey baby, it's me. Yeah. My parents are in front of me, so I'm trying to stay back here. Look where I'm at! Oh my gosh, look where I'm at! Yeah, I'm at the beach right now. We're actually walking on the beach right now. I am anyway. Yeah. Yeah! We're at Fogarty Beach. Oregon. South coast of Oregon. Yep. It's so cool over here. I'm just gonna walk this way. Try to explore a little bit since I'm here. Anyway. Yep. I'm gonna go explore for a little bit. Anyway. Trying to move. Yeah, my parents and my brother are right down there. Those three little black blobs. There they are. There's my parents. My brother and my mom and my dad along by the ocean. And I'm up here exploring awesome looking tree thingy. It's huge. Oh no wonder. I'm zoomed in. Gigantic tree thing. Yup. Yup. This is where I'm at. But yeah, or anything, but I'm here with me, so I'm taking it with me. Basically, taking it with me. Yup. Yup. I will film more later. I put some in the car, and I'll put some more later. Yeah. Bunch of birds. I am back here. There's all that stuff. My brother's up there doing something. Taking pictures. Guess that's what he's doing. This is what he's doing. Yep. This is the beach I'm on. Awesome looking tree. And over there. And out there. Well, I will talk to you later. Bye.